Hello. Oh, how are you, man?
Good, good. It don't have a check engine light or anything.
No.
On. You can come in.
Okay, no, I'm gonna read the live data. You know,
Yeah.
see what's going on.
But
So,
yeah, it's that Altima right there.
You
gonna have to take it for a spin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can drive it.
Yes, sir.
So
I was
it should
gonna
have
ask.
some gas in it, but I haven't
Okay.
driven it in a few weeks because I tore my Achilles, so
Yeah.
I can't drive.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check it out and I'll keep you updated about.
Yeah.
What was
let
your
me
name?
know. Fred.
Fred. I'm
What's
Cruz.
your name? Cruz.
Cruz.
Where you coming from?
From like Sugarland right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this wasn't too far.
No, not
Yeah,
too far.
give me
Thank you.
right, check it out.
I got
said it
you.
Might be the exhaust or something.
Possibly. I'm gonna read the live data with the catalytic converter.
Okay. Yeah. Let
I
me
got
know.
you. Let's see what's going on. As you can see, there's also other modules that have codes that aren't going to be present on the dash. Alright, we're taking for a test drive. It's looking like a bad CVT transmission, which are pretty common on these. The primary pulley pressure is at 0 psi. It's not building anything. It's a little grind sound. Yeah, that pressure's not going up. Ooh. Ooh.
Because you said trying to do everything that's around the transmission that's associated with it just gonna be more work, huh?
Yes, sir. It's like a 50-50 it could help, but if we weren't have heard a whining sound, it would have been a little bit more okay. Let's see if that helps, because we could have started with like a simple transmission flush and probably just the valve bodies. You know, you only drop the pan to replace the valve bodies, but since you can hear
You heard the
actively,
whining?
yeah,
when you
like
got up?
actively, yeah, and it just gets worse and worse.
Yeah.
So yeah, at that point, it's where I recommend the entire transmission itself.
Okay.